Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get your pets to mutate a specific plant in your garden. So make sure you have 2 slots for this, or make sure your garden is empty. If there are some plants like this, you can still also try this method. It could also work, but it is a little bit better if you just have one plant. You're going to go to cosmetics, and hopefully you have the pancake cosmetics because you'll need those. Just go to your cosmetics and place your plant where you want the pet to mutate to. For instance, I want the pets to mutate the calla lily, and as you can see, the pets are almost every pet is here, and that is because the pancakes actually attract the pets to go where they're placed. As you can see, they're close, but obviously you'll need the pet that mutates. That gives mutations. Right now my pets are just here for achievements and leveling up, so I don't really have the pets yet. Well, I do have the pets, but it's just not in my garden. So yeah, just place your pancake stacks and they'll go closer to the plant you want the mutation to be added to. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!